Staying over a cardboard seat. But it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. Yes, it's only a canvas sky hanging over a nice little tree. But it would be make-believe if you believed in me. Without your love, it's honky-tonk rain. Without your love, it's barely playing. It's a part of that baby world, just as phony as it can be. But it wouldn't be make-believe, believe me. It's a honky-tonk parade. Now your love, it's a melody playing. It's a part of that baby world, just as phony as it can be. But it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me. But it wouldn't be make-believe if you believed in me.
My husband William and I were very happy together. He always took care of me. Our home was beautiful.
I wanted nothing but the best from Martha. I wanted to make her feel safe, happy. That's what husbands are for, isn't it? We make our women feel safe, happy, safe.
But there was something missing. I suppose I wanted someone to take care of too.
Martha wanted someone to take care of too. What?
We couldn't conceive. But we knew if we believed,
We could make anything happen. Martha deserved it.
we knew we could manifest our desires if we just visualized it.
And tapped into the divine energy.
And lo and behold, our prayers were answered.
We were blessed with Willa.
She was an orphan girl, but we didn't mind. She was so beautiful. And she was ours, all ours.
So well behaved.
Even well into her teens, she was quiet, polite.
Real respectful.
She never complained. That's why it was impossible to know.
It was impossible to know that she'd been feeling sick.
We couldn't have known that winter she had a severe infection.
We tried to help. However we could, once we understood that she'd not been feeling well. I took her to doctors.
The best doctors.
Well, they wanted to hurt her. Give her shots of things. Pills.
So we prayed again for a miracle. Please, please, send us help and show us the way.
That's when she found us.
I am Ruth, founder of the Daughters of the Divine Order of the Royal
My daughter and I could speak to angels.
They can speak to angels!
They could save her. Naturally, we said money was no object.
The daughters told us that Gabriel and Michael had come to them to tell them that Willow was sick.
Well, they knew even before we told them. And they knew what we had to do.
We knew we had found the Savior in Ruth when she told us that the problem with humanity is that people don't know how to channel their energy.
Channel energy.
People are afraid to see themselves and to bring the future they imagine into fruition.
They don't want to admit that they have self-worth.
It's sad, really. So they told us what to do, how to connect with Willa's total wellness. She said,
Make sure she does not eat. Keep her in bed. She will squirm and sweat. She may ask for water or for food. After some time, it may appear that she has
passed on.
But she'll be okay.
Willow was afraid. But we knew it was best to listen to Mother Ruth. She told us the next steps.
You must listen to this next part very carefully. When it appears that she has deceased, you must preserve her body in ice.
They said we would need 600 pounds of ice a week, along with some cinnamon and some spices.
We would do this for
1,024 days exactly.
We traveled with them and their followers so that they could keep a close watch and maybe relay any further information.
From the angels.
We promised we would keep her safe. Now that we knew Willow would be okay, we wanted to keep her comfortable during the process.
Martha and I worked in the tomato farms during the day, and we gave all our wages to Ruth so that she could help other families.
The way she helped us.
And we kept Willa in the bathtub, the one she had as a girl, something familiar to make her less afraid.
We took it with us every time we moved for the next 3 years, always remembering the cinnamon and the spices.
And we spoke to her. Ruth said she could hear us.
We did it every day. That's how much we cared.
It was something that the angels had said.
We couldn't have known.
They couldn't have known.
We couldn't have known.
Oh, we did nothing wrong. We were protecting her, we thought.
We knew she was a good person.
A priestess.
We couldn't have known.
She was a mother to all three of us.
She was the one that told us what to do.
We couldn't have known.
It wasn't our fault.
It was no one's fault.
Just one of those sad things beyond our control.
We couldn't have known.
How many times do I have to tell you? Think I'm sorry for. Don't try to tell me. That's when you have to tell me, hey, this thing has only just begun. I tell myself too many times, why don't you ever learn to keep your big mouth shut? That's why it hurts so bad to hear the words keep on falling from your love, falling from your love, falling from your love. Tell me why. I may be mad, I may be blind, I may be viciously unkind, but I can still read oh, what you're thinking. And I've heard it said too many times, you'd be better off beside